Alright, we're on the last video of unit number 5, page 13 of your notes. And here it goes. In a football game, a 140-kilogram guard runs at a speed of 4 meters per second, and a 70-kilogram free safety moves at 8 meters per second. Who has more kinetic energy, and by what factor? Okay, so we're going to do it in two different ways. We're going to do it kind of the long way first, where we're literally going to plug all the numbers into the equations, and this will work. So how about we do what do they give us first? They give us the guard first, so how about we put the guard here and the safety here. So we're going to do kinetic energy equals 1/2. Alright, the guard is 140 kilograms times his speed, which is 4 meters per second. And then we gotta square it. Alright, let's do that first. So we're gonna go 140 times 4 divided by 2. So 1120. And that'll be joules. Okay, now let's do the safety. Let's see, a half times 70 kilograms. I'm just getting the stuff from up above. You can read it on your own. Alright, and then so 0.5 times 70 times 8 times 8. Alright, we get 2,240. So who has, question up here, who has more kinetic energy? Okay, the safety has more kinetic energy. We just got that. And by what factor? Well, it looks like it's double. So 2 times the amount. Okay, I told you we'd do another factor. So what we're going to do is this. We're going to do the equation 1 time instead of twice. And we're just going to basically assume that we're plugging stuff in for the guard, and then see what happens when we plug in information for the safeties. So let's just look at kind of what's going on here. So we've got a half. Alright, now how's the mass of the safety compared to the mass of the guard? Do you see that it's half? So when I plug this in, I'm going to go half the mass. And then how's the speed compared? The speed is twice. So you would think that this 2 and this half would cancel, and everything would be even, and you wouldn't get twice as much, you get the same. But because speed is squared and mass is not squared, it's not an even exchange. It doesn't cancel out like you're thinking. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to go, so I get a half times mass. This is really 4 times the speed squared. Well, that 4 cancels with that 2, so this becomes a 2. I'm going to take this guy, move him to the front. So 2 times 1/2 mv squared. Basically twice my original. Well, isn't that what I said right here? Isn't that showing that the safety has twice the kinetic energy as the guard? And there it is right there. And that's the end of chapter number, or unit number 5.